Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English. So today we are going to learn chapter 1, Toy Train to Ooty, and in that we are going to learn some word power. Right. So what is the lesson objective today? The lesson objective is to identify the alphabetical order and to arrange words in an alphabetical order. So we are going to learn the alphabetical order of letters and also to arrange words in alphabetical order. Are you all ready, children? Right. Then now, what is this in the picture? Yes, it's a dictionary. And what we have in the dictionary? Just look at this video, children. So if you listen carefully, all the words are starting on with letter. All the words are starting on with letter A. A. And dictionary is a book where the letter starts from A and next ends with Z. You are able to see all the words that starts with A, after that B, after that C, after that D, after that E, F, G, H, like that. So now, word sort challenge. There is a word which has been given: gift, book, car, zebra, orange. These are the words which have been given: book, car, zebra, and orange. Now arrange these words in correct alphabetical order. We have to arrange these words in correct alphabetical order. Will you try? I'll be giving you 1 minute of time. Try to arrange them in correct alphabetical order. And after that, I'll give you your answer. Right. So now the answer is book, car, gift, orange, zebra. So this is the answer. So A after B, C, G, O, Z. So the alphabetical order has come in this way. Now, to arrange in alphabetical order. So now, children, we have 3 words here: book, banana, and bread. So now all the starting letters are starting with B only. So how do we recognize? How do we arrange these words? Rewrite the correct order. First, banana, book, bread. How? Whenever any word is starting with the same letter, then we have to take up the second letter of the word. And then we have to take the correct order. Your teacher in her attendance register or your roll numbers will be completely based on the alphabetical order. And this on the way you will be getting your attendance also, your roll number also. The same way here we are arranging the words in alphabetical order. So BANANA, banana, BOOK, book, BREAD, bread. When words start with same letter, we look for alphabetical order in the second letter. So children, let's practice. Take some 6 names, and 6 names you have to write it in an alphabetical order. For example, here if we have some names like names of your friends like Abdul, Batul, right, Kareem, and all these names. So which one will come first? The name which starts with A, after that B, after that C, after that D. Like that you have to follow the alphabets over there. Now There is an exercise for you here. Look at the map on page 11. List down all those places that the toy train to Uti goes through from Mittupalayam to Uti and arrange them in correct alphabetical order. So let's see what will be the correct alphabetical order. So just see the names which are starting on with A first. Aru Vakkadu. Then Adrei. So Adrei, Adreli is the one which is starting, which will be the first one. Adreli. After that, Aruvakkadu. After that, any names with B? No. C. Okay. We have Kunnur, Kunnur, Coimbatore. So which one will come? Coimbatore will come or Kunnur will come? Both are starting with CO. Now, after CO, it should be I and O. Which one will come first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I will come first. So we are going to use Coimbatore after. After Aravakadu, we are going to use Coimbatore. After Coimbatore, Kunnur. Now D, E, F. F we have Fernhill. G, no. H, Hillgrove. I, no. J, no. K, we have Kallar. K-A and Ketty. K-A and Ketty after that. Right? Ketty. Kateri we have. Kallar. After that Kateri. After that Ketty. Yes, because K-A-L, K-A-T. After L only T will come. And after that K-E, the next letter is E. So you have to identify them and then put the alphabetical order as per. Now, arrange these words in the correct alphabetical order. So first, which letter will come? A. Apple, banana, papaya, pear, plum. So like this, you have to use the write the answers. Try to make a practice of it, and then tomorrow you'll be getting the answer key for this. Now, children, so there is a conclusion for your home assignment with my turn 1 and my turn 2. My turn 1, where look at the set of words and arrange them in alphabetical order. So the same way which you have done in Let's Try 5, you have to do it here. So which one will start which first, you have to write it down. With this, we are coming on to an end. Hope you have understood. Thank you so much, children.